Welcome to the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. This is a concierge room. Let's go for a hotel room tour. We've booked this room for 4 people. Let's go for a little exploration. First of all, as soon as you walk in through the door, to your left, you've got the bathroom. There's this nice common space in the middle. There's a drawer with a hairdryer. You've got 4 towels, face and hand soap, 4 glasses, and 4 little take-home collectible cups. On this beautiful tray, you're provided with 4 adult toothbrushes, 2 child toothbrushes, and 4 amenity kits. Inside the amenity kit is 4 earbuds, 2 face cloths, and a hair tie. You're also provided with a 4-pack of cleansing gel, moisturiser, advanced lotion and advanced cream. So a bit of a face care package. You've also got 2 little soaps and a hairbrush. In this drawer you've got the hair dryer. Over here you have a box of tissues. Down here you've got a little pull-out tray so you can place some items on there and then get it out of the way. I found this really handy at the Ambassador Hotel. I've never had this before in a hotel room, but I actually used it and thought it was very good at getting rid of things off of the table. There's also a little step under here for children who may not be able to reach the basin, and there's also a beautiful rubbish bin as well. Through here is the shower room. It's a very large space. You've got the handheld taps and shower head on the wall with a beautiful oval window bringing that natural light into the space. There's a nice bathtub with beautiful tiling. You've also got shampoo, conditioner and body wash provided as well if you wish to use it, with 4 bath towels provided. In the bathroom area, you've got this beautiful glass panel, but then as you come in, you've got this curved ceiling. It really adds height to this space and it's such a beautiful dimension. Then in this room, we have the Japanese toilet with the function panel attached to the wall and telephone. Opposite the bathroom is the mirror. Now the mirror is a little covered with our carry-on luggage, but it's a gorgeous gold framed mirror with 2 wall lanterns. There's also a little table there that you may want to use for makeup or as a dressing table or perhaps some office work. There's a full-length mirror which is always really handy. Opposite the full-length mirror is this little cupboard here. You've got 4, oh they are soft, it's really nice. 4 adult-sized robes in here with spare pillow, spare blanket, clothes hangers, luggage rack and slippers at the bottom. How gorgeous are these door handles? Over here we've got a kettle, an ice bucket and 4 teacups. Down here we have the mini fridge. Let's see. We have 4 complimentary waters in the mini fridge. Everything else is available for you to fill it with your own items. And in here we have 4 glasses and coffee and tea packets. Look how beautiful the wallpaper is. You've got little Mickeys throughout, and then you've got this beautiful rose garden and vine pattern. Very pretty wallpaper. Let's now make our way into the main area. So this is where you'll find your 2 large beds. Now they've provided us with 2 pillows, a circular cylinder pillow and a small square decorative pillow. In the side table between the 2 beds, you're gifted with some postcards specialised to the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel, and there's also some information in the Duffy and Friends brochure. In the drawer, you'll also find an instruction manual for how to flush the toilet in case of a power outage. On top of the side table, you've got a telephone branded with Tokyo Disneyland Hotel, an alarm clock, a placement card to tell the housekeeping when it's time to change the sheets, and then you've also got a notepad and pen. And underneath the TV, we are supplied with 4 complimentary pajama sets. Look at this beautiful yellow colour. I'm really liking this. How gorgeous. There's also a DVD player as well. The TV cabinet has been inspired by some of the Beauty and the Beast characters. I have noticed it is a little dusty on top, so that point may have just gotten missed. There's a beautiful gold rubbish bin. Next to the TV, you've got a pull-out sofa bed presented with 2 lovely cushions. This one here will be a single bed, so quite tight but comfortable after a long day walking around the parks. There's also a lamp and a table with 2 seats that you could use for a coffee as you look out at the parks. Look at this spectacular view. You can see the castle, you can see the main entrance, you can see, some fireworks are just going off now as we speak. Wow, you can see across to Disney Sea. It gives you a good perspective of the park from up here, doesn't it? You can see the shopping district all the way through to Space Mountain and all the way across to some of the Good Neighbour hotels. What a fantastic view. So we've been gifted with 2 Disneyland Hotel tote bags. These are little souvenir Disneyland Hotel tote bags. And then we also have the Fantasy Springs Hotel card, which is just celebrating the opening of Fantasy Springs. So because there's 4 people staying in this room, there is a 4th bed that we need to pull out. They've left some instructions on the bed here on how to pull it out, and all that it is the bed is stored underneath here, and you just slide it out and you're good to go. This is the other side of the window that we could see before in the bathroom. So this is where we're getting that natural light from. In the center of the room, you've got a beautiful light piece, which is surrounded by a ceiling rose. The roof is lifted up. It's creating a bit of a box out effect, but it's very nice because it increases the height of the room, making it just feel that little bit larger. The carpets look really clean, but because of the blue and green patterning, it makes it look like the carpet's loose, but as I run my foot along it, it doesn't appear to be moving, so I think it is flat and nice, although it just looks like it's kind of rolling a little bit. Look at this beautiful backdrop. You've got your signature characters in here. I can see Chip and Dale, I can see Mickey and Minnie, Pluto at the top. It's just so lovely. What a gorgeous piece of wallpaper. Adds colour to the room. You've also got this lace art piece with some black silhouettes of Mickey and Minnie. It's just a really nice, elegant touch to the room. The Disney Castle printed on the top of the bed is a beautiful, elegant touch. There's also an air conditioning unit here. The air conditioner unit is pretty satisfactory. It has a little bit of dust built up in the corners, but overall, it's okay. Look at the beautiful lace curtains for your sunshade, and then your large, thicker curtains for on top with those beautiful coloured tassels at the end. They are really nice.